What's up, everyone? I'm here in LA Chinatown and I'm going to try the Phoenix Bakery. They've been here since 1938, and that goes to show you they must be good if they've been in business that long. Take a look at this old machine they have in the corner. Chinese lion, ice cream mochi. They're known for their cakes. That cinnamon roll looks so good. Alright, so I got a chocolate croissant from the Phoenix Bakery. They had the regular croissant too, which is very tempting, but boy does this look good. Got a lot of chocolate coming out of this croissant already. This is so fluffy, healthy soft. Tons of chocolate flavor as well. This frosting they use, super smooth. I love this texture. Has a nice aftertaste to it. This is great. I mean, amazing, really. Can't say anything more about this place. Phoenix Bakery, you gotta check it out when you're here in LA. 2 thumbs up for me.